talk about how can you change or add password on your Binance app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just go up, click here in this sign here in app. So then you come to this list here on your profile. You click in this sign here. You come to this list here. You click here on security. You come to this list here. So just switch into open video. So then you click here on password. Then you come to this list here, and here can you when you click on password, so you click here on continue here. Then before you change your password, so you just switch in for email verification code, you add it here, then you click on same, then it's going to take you to change your password. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.